for you. Now, let's talk about this amazing blondie that I have for you. And this is actually always like on my list, like finding different styles of the perfect blonde wig. Here's a wig right here. It's from a company on Amazon Prime called Zenith. And this color, I actually have it in the platinum, but a lot of the reviews are in the honey blonde, so that also looked really great. But I got it in platinum as I'm always in search of a perfect platinum wig because my hair is platinum, so always trying to find something that's most like my hair. So let's actually talk about the actual wig color. Not too warm, even though it may look maybe a little bit warmer, but I feel like it is more ashy than a lot of the 613s that are out there, which I really feel have more of a yellow cast. Well, this definitely has an earthy, ashy cast, which I really, really like. Let's talk about these waves. Oh my gosh, I love. The thing that really drew me to this wig was this extremely dark blonde root. How great is that? So let's talk about the wig, cap construction and all of that. So this has light lace, which is really great. She has a 2.5 inch parting right here. Also 2 combs right here. 1 comb in the middle. And does she have a comb in the back? She does not have a comb in the back. Also, this is a medium cap, so she would be large head friendly for you ladies needing that. Also is heat resistant as well. Haven't even put her on yet, so I'm so excited to put her on. All right, she also is 22 inches, and I feel like she could be maybe 24. We will see. And as you can see, she really has some short front layers, which I really like, or shorter. And then of course some longer layers. Who's gonna fight that? Wig also comes with 2 wig caps. A nude from Amazon. I bought a 10-pack for $5.99. Ooh. She says she's a middle part on the product listing, but honestly, all these 2.5 inch partings have the same kind of lace front, so let's play around with it. Oh my gosh, look at this. Ooh. So yeah, this is 22 inches. This is like, normally 24 is right at my belly button, so this is just above it. And these luscious curls, I bet you if it was straight, definitely would be probably 24 or so. Ooh, what do you guys think about this color? I feel like it looks extremely, extremely natural with the color. Okay, let's flip her around a little bit and see what she can do. Or if she's truly a middle parting. Okay. So this kind of has like a pop-up front. I don't know how I feel about this. I'm not normally a pop-up front. Let's just see if she does the same on this side. Definitely play with it to see if if you part it a certain way. You just have to manipulate it the way that you like. I mean, I don't mind this, but I don't feel like this is, maybe I just need to straighten some of this right here because I only did the first layer. Maybe it just needs a little bit of love from the flat iron. It did say it was a middle parting. So let's just move it with the actual wig cap, which is how I normally change my partings. I just shift the wig cap. So let's just put it this way. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. I love this. A really soft front. Oh my gosh. This is really great. I like it like this. Yeah, this is perfect. Wow. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's move it to this side. The misfit eyebrow. Let's hide these ears. Ooh. Ooh, love this. And almost these beautiful face framing layers are gorgeous. And like literally this is like Victoria's Secret hair. What do you guys think about it? So leave me a comment down below. You know, I love to hear from you, and who is on the quest for the perfect blonde wig. And let me know what your favorite blonde wig is. Let's all empower each other and share really great knowledge to help every single one of us live our best life possible. So of course, reach out to me on Instagram. You know I love to see your photos of you wearing wigs and your makeup and your fashion and being fabulous. Because remember everyone, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So if you feel fabulous in a gorgeous Victoria's Secret blonde wig, wear it! So I want to thank you